Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well. Our today's topic is elements, compounds, and mixture. You know that in chemistry we study about matters. Chemistry is the study of structure, composition, and properties of matter. So we will start from matters. Matter is further categorized in elements, compounds, and mixture. Firstly, we will discuss about the elements. Firstly, you should know how can you define the elements. Elements is the simplest form of matter that cannot be broken down into simpler substances by ordinary chemical means. Furthermore, elements may exist in different forms. Elements may exist in liquid, solid, or gaseous state. Next, we are describing about the occurrence of elements. Elements, we can see elements in the form of metals, non-metals, gaseous states like noble gases and metalloids. These are all four kinds of elements. Elements may also exist in the forms of atoms, molecules, ions, and isotopes. Students, the purpose of sharing this topic is that you should know how to attempt this topic. Firstly, when you will write this topic of elements, compounds, and mixture, you will write the definition of element. Next, you will make the heading of existence. Next, occurrence types as well. Okay, the next part of our topic is compound. Compound is also the purest substance. You can say that compound is also the pure form of matter. How could you define the compound? You can define the compound as compound is made of two or more different elements combined in a fixed ratio. जब दो या दो से ज़्यादा मुख्तलिफ एलिमेंट्स आपस में मिलते हैं एक ख़ास तनासुब के साथ एक ख़ास रेशो से, तो फिर जो चीज़ हमारे पास बनती है दैट इज़ कंपाउंड. We can elaborate the compound, or you can say that we can differentiate the compound from element. You will see the example of formation of sodium chloride. When sodium combined with chlorine, it will change into a compound sodium chloride. Here sodium and chlorine is element and sodium chloride is a compound. डेफिनेशन से ज़ाहिर है कि जब दो मुख्तलिफ एलिमेंट्स मिलेंगे तो हमारे पास क्या बनेगा, कंपाउंड बनेगा. ठीक है, इसी तरह से हमने एक एग्जांपल ले लिया कि ये हमारे पास दो डिफरेंट एलिमेंट है, एक सोडियम है एक क्लोरीन है. सोडियम मेटल है, क्लोरीन नॉन मेटल है. जब मेटल और नॉन मेटल लाइक टू डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स आपस में कंबाइन कर रहे हैं तो हमारे पास एक नई चीज़ बन रही है, एक न्यू प्योर सब्सटेंस बन रहा है जिसको हम कह रहे हैं सोडियम क्लोराइड. और सोडियम क्लोराइड इज़ अ कंपाउंड. दो एलिमेंट्स मिल रहे हैं और वो मिलके क्या बना रहे हैं, कंपाउंड. होपफुली आप लोगों को कंपाउंड और एलिमेंट में एक डिफरेंस नज़र आया होगा कि जो कंपाउंड्स हैं वो मुख्तलिफ एलिमेंट्स के मिलने से बनते हैं और वो एलिमेंट्स कब मिलते हैं, वो एलिमेंट्स एक ख़ास तनासुब से एक फ़िक्स्ड रेशो से मिलते हैं तो हमारे पास जो चीज़ बनती है उसे हम कहते हैं कंपाउंड. Next is how compounds are formed. Compounds are formed when two different elements react each other and form a chemical bond between them. You can see that when sodium and chlorine combines, they form sodium chloride. This line is a bond that is formed between these two elements. By this bond, two elements are held together to form a compound. Next is the type of compounds. There are many types of compounds like molecular, ionic, intermetallic, coordination, complexes, organic and inorganic. These are all types of compounds that we will discuss later. Furthermore, you should mention the examples of compounds like CO2, NH3, CH4, KCl, MgCl2. CO2 is carbon dioxide, that is also a compound. NH3 is also a compound that is called as ammonia. CH4 is an organic compound, that is methane. KCl, MgCl2 is an inorganic compounds that are categorized in colorides. You can say that oxides, alkanes, organic compounds, inorganic compounds, carbonates, bicarbonates, sulfates, colorides, these are all different examples of compound. ओके स्टूडेंट, वीडियो के लास्ट पे मैं ये एक्सप्लेन करूँगी कि अब आप लोगों ने इस टॉपिक को किस तरह से एक्सप्लेन करना है। अगर ये टॉपिक आपको लिखने के लिए आ जाता है तो आप लोगों ने सबसे पहले इसकी डेफिनेशन लिखनी है, फिर उसकी एग्जांपल लिखनी है, देन आप लोगों ने हेडिंग देनी है फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कंपाउंड। इन दिस हेडिंग यू विल एक्सप्लेन हाउ अ कंपाउंड विल फॉर्म्ड, ओके, विद you should explain this concept by using some example like this one, okay. And next you will make the heading of types. In this heading you will explain the types of compound, ठीक है. And next or in the last you will make the heading of example, and in this heading you will write some examples of compound. That's all about our today's lecture. If you will like this video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel for my next video. It will be an appreciation from your side. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.